right, in today's video, first of all, I want to say thanks for watching this video. I hope this video is helpful to you. Okay, let's jump right into it. So in today's video, uh, I'm going to be showing you and demonstrating how to capture and respond to leads through Facebook Messenger. Now, I know that as a business owner, you probably have a Facebook page for your business. And if you do, that's great. But here's another thing that a potential lead could send you a message from Facebook inquiring about your business or your services. And usually, as a business owner, you're not always logged into Facebook. So you need a way to respond to those messages at any moment in time. Even if you're a service-based business, more than likely you're out in the field or on the road and you can't really just hop on Facebook or respond to those messages. So today I'm going to show you how we set up our clients, one of our clients or all of our clients, to be able to respond to Facebook. And even if the client is not able to respond to Facebook, we set up a automation so that if someone even sends them a message after business hours, that they will respond to them in an automated way, or that the business owner would get a message on their mobile phone from Facebook so they could capture that lead and actually turn that lead into a customer. Okay, so without any delay, let's go through the demo. Then I'm going to show you how we set this up using our platform that we like to use all of the time. So first of all, I have my phone screen shared right here. Have my cell phone screen so you can see it side by side and see how it works. So on the screen, I have this app that we use, that we give all of our clients, that they can receive and do two-way messaging. And over here on the left, I've pulled up one of our clients' Facebook page. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to send them a message. I'm going to act as if I'm a lead, sending them a message through Facebook. And you'll be able to see on my phone screen here how I'll be able to reply to that lead, and you'll be able to see how the lead get the message on Facebook, and then we'll see how that all comes together. Okay, so I'm here on Facebook, and let's say if I come to this business Facebook page, I click on edit send message. And let's say I want to get messages. And this is where you can see all of the messages for that particular business. Let me go back here for a second. Let me start this over. So we're going to edit send message. Okay, there we go. So now I have this window here where now I'm able to send a message to this business. Now, if I come here and I see this business, and let's say I like this service. Now, as you can see here, I actually sent a message earlier testing out this one, where I actually sent a YouTube link to one of my other videos, which you should go and watch. But anyway, so let's say I want to send a message to this business and say, hello, I really like your products. How can I place an order? Okay. So now I've typed in my message, I send it. Now, if you notice here on the mobile device that under this profile, and this is a test, this is my demo user account. You notice here on this profile that message, the same message down here at the bottom, was received by the mobile device right here. And the same message, hello, I really like your products. How can I place an order? Now, as a business owner, they can actually respond to this lead. You can either respond by adding an attachment, or they can respond by sending well, we've built out these templates of messages to respond back, or they can simply type, sure, go to www.sergeanttees.com and hit send. Now you notice that on Facebook, they got the message. They received a reply to their message on Facebook right here from within Facebook. So now this whole thing, they can respond to leads. And the cool thing about, if you want to send an attachment, you can attach something from your phone, some type of video or image, or you can record a custom video that you can actually send to them through Facebook. It could be a video ad, it could be, brochure or anything that you can respond back to them, or have it automatically respond with this information. Okay, so that's how that works. Now, let's go look at how we make this happen using what this tool we call Go HighLevel, that we can use to make this happen. Now, in the tool that we use, which is HighLevel, and if you look at the description in the video, there's a link where you can we can get you a 14-day trial to set you up just for messaging or Facebook messaging, Google My Business messaging, two-way messaging. Very powerful feature. But we can set you up with those messages and automation. So if you look over here, this we have, and this is where we have all of our clients, so we can see all of our clients profiles and stuff. This is where we build out their things. So I'm gonna go to automation, and we have these workflows that we created. Okay, so these workflows is what allows us to build out these workflows. And I'm going to show you one of the workflows. So we have our messaging workflow here. And here we have 3 messaging workflows for this particular client: web chat, Google My Business, and Facebook. So we're going to look at the Facebook messaging. Okay. So here, this is our automation that does the magic, that handles everything. So here we check for a incoming message from Facebook Messenger. Let me move this over here. So we look for an incoming message. I don't want to give away all the secrets. And then we assign this to a particular user. Now, if you're a business and you have employees, you can assign this to whichever employee. Right now, we assign it to the owner of the business. So you can assign this to any employee or staff member. And then next we send an internal SMS message to we send an internal SMS message to the assigned user, right? So we send them a SMS notification, and then we add a tag. We tag this as a Facebook incoming message. So just so that the business owner would know that this contact or this lead came in from Facebook Messenger, and we add a task um, just to remove that tag. And if they have not replied, or if they for some reason they haven't replied in like 2 minutes, I know it says 30, but we changed it to 2 minutes. Then if we say, hey, is this still message Facebook incoming? If it has that, if they have not replied yet, so it says the reply pending, yes, then we send a Facebook message to the lead. Hey, sorry. We send them another message. Then we notify everyone you have a pending Facebook message. If the business owner haven't replied, we let them know, hey, you need to reply to this lead, right? And if it's not pending, no, then we add a tag that says they replied to this, and then the business owner can just continue to have the conversation with the lead. Now, this particular flow, we're still working on it for the client because the client may want to have some different interactions, automated interactions um, with their messenger. So we're still working on this. Now, let me go back here and show. So what makes this all possible is that we have integrated the client's Facebook, and I don't want to show too much, but we have an integration with the client's Facebook. So the client connects their Facebook account, and therefore we can handle these interactions. And the same thing happens for Google My Business as well as the web chat, which I've done one on Google My Business, and next I'll do one on the web chat, uh, just to show you as a business owner, especially if you're a service-based business and you out in the field all the time and you don't have time to really field phone calls or to respond back to messages. This is a great way to have an automated way to capture those leads. And the cool thing about it is in our software, we capture all of those conversations. So here you can see the thread of the conversation and the lead that you've captured. You captured the name and possibly a phone number. If they enter in a phone number, you can prompt them with questions. You can send out surveys or forms, or there's so many possibilities we can do with this. Send video files, images, brochures, automated things so that you won't miss out on a lead. Okay, so this is just a short, quick demo video. I like to do these demos because I think it's best if you can see it working rather than me tell you. Then you can see how this would apply to your business. So once again, if you want to know how you can set this up for your business, you can reach out to us in the links below. Again, my name is Pettis Hartfield. You can reach us in the links below in the video. OneClickDigitalServices.com, and again, you can get a 14-day free trial on using the same tool, and we can also get you set up. Okay, so have a good one.